Class, welcome to week 11. This week we are looking a little bit more into your search engine marketing, your Google Ads optimization. We're going to finish with your landing page optimization. That will also play into basic search engine optimization. So these two things go hand in hand. It's the cross section of Google Ads, which is paid promotion or paid marketing online, and search engine optimization, which is unpaid marketing or ways to drive visitors to your website. So we'll explain a little bit more about search engine optimization. We'll switch gears into that. But your landing page will be important to not only the success of your campaign, but specifically Project 4. And then you'll have your reflection and then student evaluation of instructor. If I can take a minute and just implore you to fill this out. This is crucial. I do try to make changes every semester based on student feedback. And so if there are things that are working for you, things that aren't working for you, I would love to hear them here if you'll take a minute and just fill out that evaluation. I will also wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Because of that, if you're in an area of the world where you're observing that holiday, I hope it's an enjoyable one. I have adjusted due dates accordingly, so these are typically due midweek, and that would make them due on Thanksgiving. I pushed them back to Saturday. So we have our normal assignments due on Tuesday with the first prepare assignment and discussion board post, but everything else is due on Saturday in anticipation of the holiday. So again, hope you're able to take some time to enjoy that and have a little bit of extra time. If you live in an area of the world where you're not celebrating Thanksgiving, then enjoy the extra time to finish these assignments. Let's jump into the landing page optimization assignment first. A landing page is where your visitor will go after they click on your advertisement. Ideally, this is not the home page because you want a landing page to be a customized experience based on your advertisement. And the question here is, does your landing page seal the deal? That's where you close the sale. You got them interested enough to click on your ad, and essentially the question is, are you delivering on what was promised in the ad? Even though a customer won't describe it like this, they're looking for integrity, meaning, do you deliver on what you say you will? And your first real test of integrity is your landing page. You promised me this type of t-shirt when I clicked on the ad. Do I see that right away? Can I get to it right away? So your landing page is really, really important in this. And I'd invite you to take some time to read through it and understand a little bit excuse me, about what makes a good landing page. You'll typically only have a few seconds with the visitor in order to deliver on what your promise was. And so very quickly, the visitor needs to orient themselves and identify what it is you promised in the ad. So taking that into consideration after going through the readings, your assignment is to explain something you would change on one of your landing pages to increase conversion. Explain why you would recommend that change and support it with quotes from the reading. Then analyze one of your landing pages with these three criteria. That's about it. So not an extensive assignment. Just make sure you use quotes from the readings. And this really plays into your Project 4. The final tab on Project 4 is about landing pages and what you've adjusted in your landing pages. Now we'll jump into the second topic this week, which is basic search engine optimization. As I mentioned, search engine optimization is a different path to advertising. We have spent a lot of time on Google Ads. That's paid promotion or paid marketing. Search engine optimization is the ability to get your website to rank very high on search engine results. So if I have a company where I'm selling bananas, I'm going to focus my website to make it the best banana purchasing website on the internet. If I do this according to Google standards, then I'm going to rank really highly in those search results. So I don't have to pay for advertisements. Instead, when someone researches how to purchase bananas online, that occurs to me that may be a lower demand search, but let's just say people are searching for that. I'm going to pop up there as the first or second result. So without spending a dime on marketing dollars, I'm going to drive a lot of people to my website, and that's the power of search engine optimization. Now we say it's not paid for paid marketing in the sense that you're not using dollars to rank highly on these search results. However, it does take time, and so if you value your time uh, as in terms of money, then it is going to take some investment in this, because you need to take time to do a good job with your website. Google is constantly updating their algorithms for who ranks highly on these on searches. So there is consistently more and more information coming out about this. The video and the reading should give you a good overview of what's going to make a website that ranks high on Google search results. It plays into putting proper keywords throughout the website and making a good user experience, a fast upload speed. Google takes into account all of that, not just do you have the information that they're looking for, but are you going to provide a good experience for the visitor? Now, the way this is done is that Google sends out crawlers or bots to every website on the internet on a regular basis, and they crawl throughout the website, gather the information, take it back to Google, who stores it in a massive database and then ranks it according to that information. And so you want to have your website ready for when these crawlers and these bots come and they assess the information on there and take it back to Google, that there is the correct information and you've organized it correctly. And so therefore Google ranks your site or that web page much higher. For this assignment, you want to list the 5 best things you can do to help your site be optimized for search engines and explain that reasoning. And then for 3 of your web pages, list at least 1 keyword you want to optimize for each page and explain why you chose that. Then use the backlink checker to determine the number of inbound links to your site. This is such a crucial component to search engine optimization that we will do an entire assignment on it later on. A backlink is someone else pointing to your website. And if you get enough of those, that tells Google that you are an authority of sorts on that. People are looking to you and pointing to you for information about that topic. And so the more inbound links you have, the higher you rank. There's a really strong correlation between those two. So the backlink checker from Ahrefs will tell you how many backlinks you currently have. It's okay if you have 0, you just launched your website. But it's good to understand how that works, and then as you develop backlinks, you can verify those at ahrefs.com. And that'll be it for this week. Again, a little different on a holiday week, but if there's questions about these topics, please reach out. Be happy to go through them with you. Thanks, everyone.